Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update. Alright, so in this part of the course, we're going to talk about the Shopify App Store and how to localize the Spocket app that we talked about earlier. So go to Google, just type in the search query, Shopify App Store, and then click the first link that pops up. Of course, I'm going to share with you the link to Spocket. You can find it in the previous course or previous lecture. You can also find it in this lecture over here, and also find a link to the App Store. Just go to the store and search for Spocket. All right, so when you search for it, you're going to find that there are two variations of Spocket. So Spocket for suppliers and Spocket for US and EU dropshipping. So this is the one that we want since we are dropshippers. And you can find the link, and basically you can add this app onto your Shopify account. So in the next lecture, let's go through the free version of Spocket. And we're going to go through it, and I'm going to show you what you can do with the free version, just to have an idea about how some of this works.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.